Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. From today I have decided to do a series of videos which would be based on financial education. Now before I can proceed, I would just like to tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to share the knowledge what I'm learning so that it becomes easier for other people. Hence I request everyone to do your own due diligence before taking any financial calls. But before I go ahead, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can continue to get alerts whenever such new videos are released. And there are two links, the Telegram and the WhatsApp. These are the places where you're going to get continual updates of the latest new videos what I'm going to be receiving, or the latest financial education related videos. So make sure you are part of this particular groups too. Now let's move straight ahead. And what is the topic I'm trying to cover today? Now here, as you can see on the screen, I'm talking of 10 reasons you need to learn trading. Now what is this trading? The trading here I'm referring to is basically, it could be anything which could be like a stock markets, it could be forex markets, or for that matter, the cryptocurrency markets. The knowledge, if you learn the technicals and other aspects, the same knowledge can be applied across various platforms. Now I've just tried to list down 10 prominent reasons which could come to my mind. I'm sure that there will be 100 more reasons you might be able to add to that. And it's just trying to let people understand what are the possibilities if you do trading, what are the benefits of trading. The first and foremost is the financial freedom. Now this is one of the biggest dreams of every individual. Each and every one of us wants financial freedom. What do you mean by financial freedom is that you don't need to sit down and think about maybe the expenses, day-to-day expenses, or supposing you are going somewhere and you want to buying, you don't want to compromise on the price by looking at the price tag and stuff like that. So financial freedom is one of the real possibilities. If you earn trading, financial freedom is very much possible. Then the another thing is freedom to work at your own time. Now there could be multiple reasons why you would want to work at your own time. Maybe before you could get into a full-fledged trading, you might be wanting to test the waters. So as such, you don't want to lose your day-to-day job. You don't want to lose focus on your business. Maybe you are a housewife, maybe you are a retired person, or you could be a student who wants to just cover his or own expenses as you are studying. So for this you need flexibility of time. So here you are, since the crypto markets and the forex markets work 24 hours a day, the forex would work 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. The crypto markets work 24/7. The stock markets have their own timings. So here you have the freedom to work at your own time, especially in forex and crypto markets. Now be your own boss. Every single individual dream this. You don't want to go to anyone and say, yes sir, yes madam. Everyone dreams of this. Everyone wants to be an entrepreneur. Everyone wants to have his or her own business. Finally everyone wants to be his or her own boss. That means no one tells what to do. Yes, very much possible. You decide how much you want to earn per day. Like, sounds like a dream, but let me tell you, it's very much possible. And I'll just be sharing a couple of screenshots. I know I've been trading for some time now, But recently I've joined a course, and I've done a paid course, and I'm learning and I'm sharpening my skills of trading, and it is showing results on my trading. And I'm going to share a few slides wherein I'm going to show you my live earnings on tradings, as well as the demo on the Forex which I'm learning. So basically you can decide how much you would love to, like when you're going for an interview, for example, the interview tells you that you can here is your paycheck, you write what paycheck you want. Sounds like a dream, right? Yes, it is, but in case of a job, but here it's very much a reality. If you learn the skills, you can decide how much you want to earn per day. Another most important reason is that you can work from the convenience of your home. You don't need to, I've mentioned your home because that is what everyone looks out for, no? Working from home, work from home, online opportunities from home and stuff like that. You could be in your car, you could be on a business trip, you could be traveling. You can literally do trading from anywhere. What you need is just a smartphone and an proper internet connection. So it's a convenience which is there. You don't need to be tied down. You don't need to possibly go to work every day. You can sit down and conveniently trade from your home, your car, your business, your office, wherever or whichever part of the world you may be. Now, the good thing about this is that before you try to become a full-time trader, you can always test the waters by doing it part-time. So as I mentioned, all the categories of, maybe housewives, or maybe retired persons, or maybe, unemployed youths, and lots of them, students and everyone, who might be looking something supplementary. But I can assure you that if you try and hone your skills, it would never be a supplementary but your primary source of income. Now, as I mentioned, these are the categories. Normally, if you do a normal Google search, these are the normal categories who are doing. The biggest one which I've missed though here in the slide is obviously people who are already on jobs. I think that also forms one of the very important. Many people who are already on jobs are looking to supplement their income. Now, unlike conventional businesses, if you try to sit down and think, what business I need to start, okay, unlike traditional businesses, you don't require a huge capital to start with. Yes, you would require some amount of capital, but with a nominal amount, like even say $100 you could start trading. In terms of INR, you can say around maybe roughly around 7,500 to 10,000, and you could still be earning a very decent sum of money with a very small amount, thanks to the concepts of margin trading, leverage trading and all. Now these are technical terms which maybe many of you all might have heard, and maybe some of you all have not. The good thing is that when you try to search for any opportunities which you might be wanting to do online, offline, 90% of the times you will end up in a platform wherein you need to refer people. That means if you do not refer, you might not be earning it. Now it could be a conventional referral program, a MLM program, a networking, whatever you might be calling it, affiliate marketing, anything in the world, or anything got to do with referrals. So here, even if you don't refer, you don't need to refer any program, you don't need to refer any product. What you need to do is just use your knowledge, and you would not even need to tell this to a single person, sorry. But I can assure you that if you have learned the skills, and once you understand the power of this particular system, I am sure that you would want to share it with other people, not because you want to earn any referral, maybe via some coaching classes or some programs you have learned, but because you also would want to change other people's lives. The most important reason, like I started with the first point and ending somewhere over there. So when you're doing this, you're moving towards the final quadrant to that of an investor. Now, if you've not heard of the four quadrants, I'm going to cover a separate video wherein you can understand the psychology of being in either of the four quadrants. This is a very good book by Robert Kiyosaki. If you've heard his name, I please excuse my pronunciation if I've got his name wrong. There's a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, wherein he is explaining the concepts of the four quadrants, and wherein you come to know that the quadrant anyone would want to be is the investor quadrant. And surely I'm going to cover an exclusive video just for that, because I want this series of videos to be short and crisp, so that people can grasp it very quickly. So this is the possible. I've just tried to be too generic over here, and as I mentioned, there could be hundreds of reasons wherein you would want to learn trading. Now, as I promised you, I'm telling you that I'm not an expert here. I'm learning. I did have some knowledge over here. I've recently joined a course. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos myself, and I'm practicing it both on the live market as well as on the demo markets. Now, Forex has been something new for me. I'm doing it on a demo market. Crypto is something which I have been into for quite some time, so that I am doing on the live market. So let me first show you, my results on the live markets on crypto. So here you can see I'm sharing a 2-3 screenshot. This is my Facebook account. You can connect with me over here, Sarfraz Sheikh. The ID would be sarfraz.cb. Okay, so here you can see I have taken around 6 days back. That's from today. You can see a few trades on BTC, and overall I had done 4 trades for that day, and a net profit you can see around 45 USD. That's INR. It was worth around 3375. I was lucky that I had a 100% hit ratio for that day. You can see these are the live stats. This is from the Binance exchange. So people who are already into crypto will come to know this is from the Binance exchange. So you can see 6 days, 5 days, a day. Next day I did around took around 3 trades, I guess. Yes, 3 trades for the day, and book profit in 2 and losses in 1. This is very important. Booking losses is also very important. So I had a win ratio of around 66% and managed to make around $27. That's INR 2025 for that day. So you can see here 3000, 2000 INR. And I will share a third slide also. You can see I went in for the 6th trade that day, and 3 were in profit, 3 in loss. So I had a 50% win ratio, but overall I had still managed to stay in profits. You can see the details over here. So $45, that's another 3375. So if you club these 3, especially here over here around I think 336, 78, close to around 9000 INR is what I've managed to do in around 3 sessions of trading on live market. So this is the potential. Like you can decide how much you want to earn. That's what precisely I have been telling on. And I'm sure that I need to keep on polishing my skills. I was lucky here to have in spite of having 50% win ratio, still to be in profit. This could have gone the other way around too, but that is the thing which I'm learning. Managing the risk here, like absorbing the stop losses. Sorry, not absorbing the stop losses, booking the losses over here. That it is also part of being a successful trader. Now this was my live results. Now let me share with you. Forex has been totally a new territory for me, and it's been just around 3 weeks I have started learning the same. So let me show you my results. Now this is totally a demo mode, this is not live, and thankfully it is not live because I've been testing it, I'm learning it. So this is the first this period is a longer period which I have been when I started learning. So you can see, for those people who already know a bit something, the blue is supposed to be positive trade, the red are negatives. So you can see overall I made minus 330 US dollar loss. Lot size is what I've chosen is 0.1. So that's a huge loss if it was in a live market, but fortunately I've been doing this on a demo mode. So these were a couple of weeks trades. Then my results, as I'm learning, you can see over here on 5th of November, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, from 7 I managed to get 6 trades bang on, and overall profit of $70 in one day. Now again, my lot size is 0.1 over here. So just like here, it could go haywire. Like if my lot size is 1, this could have been 69.65, could have been like, let me round it off to 70. If the lot size is 1, this would have been worth 700 USD. So for people in INR, 700 into 75, approximately 50,000 INR could have been the possible earnings in one single day. Obviously, if I just, this was over a period of 2 weeks, so 330 into 75, that could have been the losses. So luckily here I felt lucky that I was in a demo mode. Here I was just wishing I could be in real mode. And I'll share another slide, this was on the 5th. So the next day I had mixed results, but overall the trades were negative. So I am sure that with passage of time, with experience, and more testing which I'm going to do on the demo mode, and once I feel confident, I'm going to enter the live markets. Now all this is possible when you try to learn. Okay, so as I mentioned, there will be hundreds of videos on YouTube showing. You're free to go and check. But I have been doing a wonderful, the kind of paid course which I've taken has given me wonderful results. So anyone interested can get in touch with me. If you want to learn trading too, you can connect with me on phone via WhatsApp. Obviously the number is same over here. Telegram at Sarfraz, Facebook you can connect me, YouTube Sarfraz Sheikh over here. So I hope this particular video has helped you understand the potential of trading, whatever it might be. You might be trading in Indian stocks, or you might be trading in the US, Australia, anywhere. You might be trading in Forex, or for that matter cryptocurrency, because the technicals remains the same. And I hope you like the video. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section, and if you have found this video useful, please do like the button, and if you have not yet subscribed to the video, please do subscribe it, because I'm going to cover a lot of such important topics, and try to, just as I'm building up my knowledge, I'll be trying to share the same with you too. And please do not forget to miss joining the Telegram and the WhatsApp groups too, because in an event you have missed it on YouTube, you are definitely going to get the link on your WhatsApp or your Telegram. So until the next video, take care and be safe.